ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸಲ ಒಂದು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಾಯ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ನಾನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ. ಸೊ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಯ್ಮ ಬಹಳ ಹಳೇದಲ್ಲ, ಬಹಳ ಹೊಸದಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು 14 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಾಯ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋ ನಂಟು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ನಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೂ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಂಟಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಕಸಿನ್ ಅಪ್ಪಮ್ಮ ಅವರು ಒಂದು 4 ಸತಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶಿವಣ್ಣಮ್ಮ ಅವರು 3 ಸತಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ 2 ಸಲ ಆ್ಯಂಕರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನನಗೂ ಮಫ್ತಿಲಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕ್, ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸಾಯ್ಮ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ನ ಬರೀ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಇವೆಂಟ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅವರವ್ರ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್. ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಒಂದು ರೆಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಲಾವಿದರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಸಾಯ್ಮಾನು, ಈ 14ನೇ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಸಾಯ್ಮಾನು ಅಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್.
Good evening everyone. Elrigu namaskara. As we all know, South Indian cinema has been setting new benchmarks. They're not only being watched pan-India, but they're also being watched globally. And at a time like this, I think recognition of South Indian cinema is the most important. And Saima has been doing this since 14 years. And now it's become something that a common man recognizes an actor by. I've observed in so many events, actors are being introduced as a Saima awardee or a Saima nominee, and it has taken cinema to that level, and the entire cinema industry is very, very thankful to Saima for this. And I've been associated with Saima since so many years, whether it's performing, whether it's just to come and celebrate South Indian cinema, and I'm very excited to do it this year as well. So looking forward to it. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಸಾಯ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ನಾನು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವೆರಿ 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 ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗಲೇ ನಾನು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ 14th year in the industry as well. So I think I'm as old as Saima. And Saima ಜೊತೆ ನನ್ನ ಜರ್ನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಕೊಲಾಬರೇಷನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ it's the same amount of joy, same amount of love. The entire industry comes together and celebrates this, celebrates all the hard work done throughout the year, celebrates all the technical teams and the actors. So I think it's a great, great way, and more to go, so much more to go. Every year setting a different benchmark and exceeding it every new year. It's phenomenal. Happy to be a part. Thank you again, Vrinda. Thank you, Vishnu. And see you this year, see you next year, see you next year. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. Thank you so much, media, our audience, our panel. Very, very grateful to be here tonight. This evening is very, very special. Saima brings us all together with so much love, so much passion for films, for acting, for direction, for all the crafts of film. And before I get to how amazing Saima is, I just want to mention that being here today in Bangalore, in Karnataka, a huge shout out to all the love that I've received as a Telugu actress from this industry, because one of the sweetest bunch of people I've met are from the Kannadiga industry. And I've always seen so much enthusiasm and love from them. And thank you so much, Bangalore audience, Karnataka audience, the media over here. Thank you so much for the respect and love that you show. It's absolutely amazing. Honestly, there's only one reason why I've been exposed to such beautiful cultures from South India, and that is Saima. As soon as I entered the industry, one of the best things that happened to me was Saima. And as a newbie who's entering the industry, as a girl with no background from films, it is just everything that's right about the film industry. So thank you, Saima, for always keeping up with your promises of making it the most wonderful 2 days of our year, to make film such a big celebration and to make it worthwhile of our hard work and our love for films. Thank you so much, Nexa, for supporting all of this. And Vrinda ma'am, Vishnu sir, I love you guys, and I know how hard you all work for this, and I'm absolutely in awe of your success, 14 years of hard work and growth. So thank you so much for bringing it again year after year, 12th and 13th September. I'm waiting, guys. I hope to see you all there. Thank you.
And at the end of the day, innovation, bringing in the opportunity for the young talent is very important. And with this shared spirit of excellence, passion and connection, I am delighted to open the SIMA 2026 Awards in this press conference and warmly welcome all of you to the exciting session. Thank you so much.
Which is built on building blocks as having its trust, commitment and consistency in the perfect ratio. It's evolved as one of the most sought after award show, not just in South India but in entire India today, and I think that says a lot for itself. We at SIMA look up to our partners, the fraternity friends, the media friends, and every associate who's constantly been there and patronizing us and supporting us, without whom it is impossible to put a show together like this. And this year, we mark our 4th consecutive association with Nexa, which I must say is a very exciting thing for us. Sir, thank you so much. I'd like to take this special opportunity to extend my gratitude to Mr. Partho Banerjee, sir. Thank you for the trust. I'm sure we will set newer benchmarks and make sure that you're happy as always. And I'd like to take this opportunity to also thank our media friends and our industry patrons, Srimurthy sir, Pranita, Shanvi, Parya. Thank you all so much for constantly supporting us. It means a lot. It drives us to bring back our one more edition year on year. And this year too, we are here to celebrate the diverse unity of South Indian cinema, taking it to the global fans with benchmarks higher than every year. So we're looking forward to have your continued support, and I'll let the other dignitaries on stage to take over. Thank you so much.